Hello viewers, welcome to Bondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to connect star connection wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DP MCB circuit breaker, contactor and timer, contactor 1 and contactor 2, indicator lamp, neutral connection, first phase connection, second phase connection, third phase connection. Phase connection input to DP MCB, neutral connection input to DP MCB, three-phase connection input to contactor and timer, three-phase connection input to contactor 1, three-phase connection again contactor 2. Neutral connection from DP MCB to connect indication lamp, neutral connection input to contactor 1 and contactor 2 coil connection, neutral connection input to contactor and timer, phase connection from DP MCB to connect contactor and timer, output connection from contactor and timer to connect contactor 2, again another connection from contactor and timer between 2 points, output connection to contactor and timer to connect contactor 1, another connection from contactor 1 to connect contactor 2, again another output connection from contactor 2 to connect timer, output connection from contactor 2 to connect indication lamp, again another coil connection to contactor 1, output connection from contactor 2 to connect timer, another connection to timer. Three-phase connection output from contactor and timer for load. Three-phase connection from contactor 1 for load and three-phase connection from contactor 2 for load. Viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.